Hey guys, I just wanted to do this quick update video. You're looking at my brand new machine. This is a 2018 Can-Am Renegade 1000 XMR. I just picked it up a week ago. There's like no miles on it. It's brand new. I'll show you right here. 2 miles, 1 hour on the engine. This thing is a beast. I did trade in my old 1000, but definitely a good decision financially, maybe not, but otherwise yes. It's completely stock right now, so I just want to show it off right now. It's nice and clean right off the showroom floor. I mean, look at how beautiful that is. The Rotax engine is amazing. Such a beautiful machine. Pretty much anything you could want in a machine right here. 14-inch beadlock wheels, 30-inch, I think they're ITP Kryptides, 9 wides all the way around, so you can rotate them if you want. There's not a speck of dirt on this machine. It is so clean. It'll never be this clean again, which is sad. It's got the Fox Performance shocks, Warren Pro Vantage winch. It's a 3,000 pound capacity. It's got factory snorkels. I'll take off the plastics here and show you exactly how that's ran up. I already did order a RJWC single centered exhaust, so that'll be coming next week. I can make a video of putting that on, how it'll sound. Like I said, it's a 1000R motor, so it's got the Maverick heads. A little more power than my old 1000. I don't know how I feel about this. I really like the old key better than this, but whatever. I really like the bumper they put on the XMRs. But honestly guys, really just to show off how clean this is, because it'll never be this clean ever. I mean, everything just so clean. The paint is like a pearly paint. It's kind of hard to tell maybe, but it really shines good right now. It's not like the flat, the shiny black that used to come on it. They put like a pearls in it now. This is just matte black. So let me take off the plastics and show you guys what's underneath the beast. Another thing I really like is these the footwells. This is metal, this is metal, this is like 3 inches tall right here. So it'll give you good traction. Another thing I do like, the Renegades are known for like their flappy fenders. So BRP did add a little fender support right here, which I really like that actually. Helps the fenders a lot less flappy. So under the seat here, typical G2 battery toolkit. I put the Outsiders Mud Crew airbox lid seal on there so we have no leaks. How they did these snorkels, awesome. Got the air intake on the right here and the CVT intake on the left, and then they have the belt exhaust actually come up, wrap around, and then it blows. It comes back down right behind there and blows on the header. Kind of just move some airflow around. Another thing I really like is they moved your fuse panel a little off to the side, kind of give you some more room here, which is nice. You can see they don't have any sort of splash guard like they used to. Got all your vent lines right here, which is awesome. I'll have to double check and make sure the fan vent line is there. Just take this cover off actually. You got your intakes right there. It's a little screen, kind of like the Outlander XMRs have for their belt intake there. But just pops right back into place. It's a little hard with one hand. Bam, done. But like any old XMR, you have your airbox drains there. But that is my new 2018 Can-Am Renegade 1000 XMR. Like I said, I just want to show this thing off because it's a beast and it'll never be this clean again. But I'm taking it out this weekend, put it to the test a little. Got a breaker in, can't go too hard, but like I said, doing an exhaust next week, so I got a video of that. And there's always more to come. I really just love the stance of this thing. It's so beefy and meaty. Looks awesome. Can't wait to get it on the trail. Alright, we'll catch you guys next video. Peace.